to National High School Band and Majorettes.
Thank you so much, National High School, DXC, and Majors. Also, we are also joined by some of our barangays na present this afternoon. Especially, of course, we have here the Barangay Divina Pastora being headed by the Punong Barangay, Honorable Zacarias Gonzales.
Yes, kasama nila of course, ang mga active SK officials ng Barangay Divina Pastora. And also acknowledging the presence of all the SK chairpersons and SK members from the different barangays of Bato, Camarines Sur who are with us this afternoon.
Once again, thank you so much po sa lahat ng ating bisita na nakikiisa sa ating opening ceremony for the sporting events and also our Pista sa ngayon. And syempre napakasaya at napakagandang tingnan. Maganda talaga sa ating boulevard, no? So mamaya po, pwede na po nating puntahan isa-isa ang ating mga kubo na pinaghirapan ng ating mga barangay officials. Just to feed also not only our eyes, but our stomach. Ayan, kailangan busog ang ating mata sa event at busog rin ang ating tiyan.
And that was the first part of this program, which is the opening parade. So this time, may I request yung iba pong players or athletes, so pwede po ninyong i-occupy ang space po dito.
Sa kabila.
Sa kabila, para po hindi po kayo suksukan dyan. Ayan, sige po. Yung iba pong players and athletes, so pwede nyo pong i-occupy ang space po dito sa kabila.
Para naman lahat may chance pa-picturean. Sige na po yung iba po, dito na sa kabila. Patawagin ko na lang, Tres Reyes, Santiago, dito na po tayo sa kabila. Buluwang, please.
Okay, so the rest of the team, so pwede po kayong umabag na dito and form your line para mas maganda po tayong tingnan and organize.
Yung ibang players naman po dito, please. Luminya na po tayo.
Binango ko sa abali.
Sayang ang mga jersey kung hindi makikita na maayos.
Okay lang. Ano ka muna ka?
Players, you can occupy this area po sa gitna, please.
Sige po, abanti po tayo and form your line. Sa lahat po ng players and athletes.
Maki-share po ng live. Diba? Don't forget to share and like, comments, comment down below.
Ako na nag-comment.
Yan.
Ako nag-comment. Nag-comment ako na kaya si...
Isay.
Kapap mo.
Share the live, please.
And by the way, yung mga players po, kailangan pumirma po kayo sa ating attendance sheet. To determine whether makakapag-play ba kayo ng inyong first game or not.
Tagalig sa isa na sa
makilala po natin isa-isa ang ating official candidate for the search for Miss Battle 2026.
Say hi!
Ano mo na lang ako.
Ganyan ako dati. Ganyan yung itsura ko dati.
Ano nangyari, partner?
Palagi akong inuutosan bumili ng yelo. Tuwing tanghali. Kaya pag inuutosan kayo bumili ng yelo, huwag kayong susunod. Magiging ganito kayo.
Sa camera lang.
In total, we have 18 official candidates.
And the grand coronation night will be
On May 28, so sino kaya sa ating 18 lovely candidates will be crowned as our new Miss Battle 2026?
Turnover! Big turnover na. 2024. Kapan po yan, mga kandidates? Say hi, kandidates, diba? Sila po ang lovely candidates. 8 lovely candidates.
Oy, sa sabing turnover. Yasi, sabing turnover. Second runner up is Battle 2014. Mabis mo man nga ni Adria. Ako talaga sa kapawag niyo doon.
I'd like also to acknowledge Ma'am Ivy, our MLGO.
Eh, di
Ma'am
ba?
Ivy, kasama ka po sa Miss Batu. Hello, Ma'am Ivy, our MLGO.
Sorry, aling
Walang pagkakawak.
ayaw mo sa babi.
Yeah, don't forget to share the live. Yan. Magsimula po tayo kapag games kapag 100 viewers na. Magta-games na lang. Eme lang. Wow, wala naman. Oh, magsisimula na po tayo. Go, share nyo lang. 100 na dahil. 104.
And once again, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and welcome to the opening ceremony of Sportfest and Pista Sanayon 2026. Of course, brought to you by the local government unit of Bato through our municipal mayor, Honorable Enric Dangkalan.
And of course, dahil alam ko na excited na po ang lahat, this time, I'd like to request everyone to please rise for the invocation by the attending sound system, and please remain standing for the singing of the Philippine National Anthem and the singing of Battle Hymn.
Opening prayer. Let's bow our heads and place ourselves in the presence of the Lord. Dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for gathering all of us today in this important event. May you bestow your guidance and blessings on this event so that we can enjoy and appreciate its significance in our lives. Bless everyone present here today, that each one of us may be able to share what he or she have for your glory and honor. grant good health and safety to our loved ones left at home, and peace and goodwill to all men. May the various activities related to this event be a success through your intervention. We ask all of these in your name. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas.
Thank you so much. We now all be seated, of course, for those who have their seats. So once again, good afternoon po everyone. Maaari po ba naming marinig ang isang malakas na na palakpakan na may kasamang hiyawan. Naku, mahina ang energy. Mahina. Isa pa, maaari po bang marinig ang isang malakas na palakpakan? Yan. So once again, welcome to the opening ceremony. So before the opening remarks, let's have first.
So let's have an exhibition number which will be given to us by the Kamsur Band and Major X.
Ayan, bigyan po natin sila ng isang masikabong palakpakan.
Ano si Yaki? Uy, di ko parang alala. 500 pa sa...
and Majorettes of Camarines Sur. Ayan, bigyan naman po natin sila ng isang masigabong palakpakan. Ayan, tuloy ang saya at entertainment, ladies and gentlemen. Because this time, let's also welcome the Camarines Sur Hot Buddies.
Hot Buddies. And also once again, pasalamatan po natin our provincial government at po talaga rin nagpapayaba. Specialmente ka na banuan na ba ito? Of course, Governor El Rey Villafuerte. And syempre, at po kami nakasuporta, Congressman Migs Villafuerte. Once again, thank you so much, Councilor Hot Buddies and Councilor Band and Majors. This time, ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome our Municipal Mayor, Honorable Henry Dancala, for the opening remarks.
Thank you, Paul and Christian. Diyos maray na apon po kaninyong amin. Sali po akan natong Vice Alcalde, the Honorable Daniel Sorilla, kay ba ang miyembros kakan Sangguniang Bayan, the Honorable Eliseo Preala, Honorable Pongpong Ramos, the Honorable Nonoy Batacan, the Honorable Noel Toyay, Liga ng mga Barangay President Ramon Bucat, the SK Federation President Marian Joyce Dangkanan Nuida, and of course, ang malakas sa salit pero maali, the Honorable Joniel Vilima. Mga punong barangays na isalingawan, kaibaan ng mga barangay council, sa di man po ang mga heads of offices, sa di man po kanatong MLJOO, Ma'am Ivy Ramirez, and of course, ang 18 malanggagayon vying for the title of Miss Bato Tourism, and Miss Bato Karaniwan. Sa amin pong bisita ang Isalingawan, welcome po sa opening Canabato Sports Fest 2026 and opening Kapista Sanayon Sunny Boulevard. Buwan pong taon, amo po ini ano naisipan na mong darahon kaninyo, ipabayad kaninyo, taning something na kakaiba naman, mukong permisa ng araw ko dati. Buwan pong taon, sabi ko, dapat ang namin na kandidata sa Miss Bato, dapat original na taga-Bato. O dapusahan, bukong taga-Bato, ngamin po ang taga-Bato. Sabi ko, nguwan na taon, nguwan sana po hindi nangyari, apwera ka na premyo sa Miss Bato na 75,000, 50,000, saka 30,000, ang title po, at ko pa 1-year employment sa local government unit of Bato. Kaya, o darason na mapipiling title or Miss Bato Tourism, and Miss Bato Karaniwan, maggaling sa Limanwaan ta dahil empleyado ta sira sa munisipyo. Kaya, ang mga title sa nangyaring Miss Bato, masasabat ninyo permi. Bukong araw ko mga nakaagi, after na makoronahan, dito na basang nabayad. Kaya, promise nila ka na ko, once na sira ang maging title holder, pero may sirang sa Limanwaan ta. Bukong amo, may condition na mo. So, one man, dati, nagpaparangurog-ngurog ba mga players, pirmi na sa na ngayang basketball. Nuwan po, maski ka mo diri nagdirektang nagsabi ka na ko, rungog-rungog sana, taadi na po, kinater na mo, ngamin na sports na gusto ninyong mangyari. Isali na po. Volleyball, badminton, sipak takraw, agko pa boxing, ano pa, table tennis, chess, pickleball. So, amo po udango na basketball naman. Sabi ko, buwelo muna sa mga para basketball ka, enter zone nila, comes December, basketball tournament naman. Pwede? So, amo po pangako kaninyo, kanang local government unit of Bato. Buwan man po, opening apis sa Sanayon. Pasalamat ako ka mga punong barangays, ka mga barangay council sa Limanwaan na Bato. Kana 100% suporta nila, kana programa, kana lokal na gobyerno. Diyos mabalos po kaninyo dahil nababayan ninyo, nagpipinagayonan, nagpipinaabawan ka mga gibo nila. Kaya nganon, enjoyon ninyo at kusan mga pagkaon, nguwan ko no, iba libre pa, pero kasunod, ibayad na. Kaya, amo po ini, ipinapaabot na mo, asin tinataon na mo kaninyo, nguwan na nagdadangadang nakapiestahan kakanatong banwaan. So, welcome kamusadi, kim maura sana sabalan ninyo, pagngit-ngit sadi na kamo, mag-provide kami sadi sa mga banda, pagkaon, asin, mga rides sa to, pero iyan sa ibayad, o libre. Kaya abupuan, minadara na mo kaninyo, ana lokal na gobyerno, perming migdara kaninyo sa ikagagayon, ikararahay, kakanatong banwaan, asin magayon para sa imperong Tagabatong. Kaya, nuwan po, formal ka ng binubuksan, ang 2026 Sports Fest, Kabanwa na Bato, asin ana Pista Sanayon. Good evening and thank you to one and all.
And thank you so much, Mayor Enric Dangkalan, for that opening remarks. Ulit po, palakpakan po muli our Honorable Mayor Enric Dangkalan. Ayan, sige po, because kung wala siya, of course, this will never be possible. Of course, with the help of the local government unit as a whole. So this time, friends, let's welcome the Baton National High School Band and Majorettes for an exhibition number.
Ay, send ko sa'yo to.
Maray na ka mo. Ito yun.
Taas na kayo. Pili taas.
Last lang po. Okay na po. Ito po.
Hindi, naihanap ko na lang siya. Magiging sa kanya na lang ayaw na lang siya. Mga tayo, makabigla ng bigyan, ano daw? Makabigla mga bigyan. Ano daw? Sabi ni Mata. Alakat mo kami, makabigla yung ano ko mabigyan. Kaya po.
Thank you so much. Batuan National High School, DXC, and Majors. Mas kapalapakan naman po natin. Batuan National High School, DXC, and Majors. But this time, of course, ladies and gentlemen, to continue our program, let us all welcome our SK Federation President, at the same time, the committee chair for our sporting events 2026. Let us all welcome Honorable Marian Joyce Dancalan Baida.
So thank you so much, Kuya Paul and Kuya Christian. So good afternoon, everyone. May I present to you the 7 sports here in Batu, Camarines Sur. So pag sinabi kong hep-hep, sabihin hooray. Hep-hep! So may I present to you the players for badminton. Men's singles, 19 players. Women's singles, 13 players. Mixed doubles, 12 teams. Badminton, hep-hep! Ayan, nandyan pa ang badminton. Players for sepak takraw, 7 teams. Hep-hep! Ay, meron din. Mga 2 teams na lang siguro. Table tennis, men's singles, 12 players. Women's singles, 10 players. Mixed doubles, 9 teams. Table tennis, hep-hep! Ito, maraming nagparade. Volleyball, women's 7 teams, men's 11 teams, volleyball players, hep-hep! Ayan. Ang ating pinakaunang boxing. We have 11 entries. Boxing players, hep-hep! Uy, baga na namin boxer. And for the last, second to the last, for the chess players, we have 15 entries. Chess players, hep-hep! Ayan, yung ating kasing chess po ay interrinconada. Siguro po yung mga taga-Bato pa lang ang nandito. And the last, ang pinakabago po, pickleball. We have men doubles, 20 teams, women doubles, 10 players. 20 players and mixed doubles, 20 teams. Pickleballers, hep hep! Ayan. So, to conclude po, we have all in all 7 sports for the Sports Fest 2026. So, thank you so much. And mamaya po, before mag-closing, i-announce po ang venue and date po ng inyong tournament. So, thank you so much po.
Thank you so much, Honorable Marian Joyce Dancalan-Nude, our SK Federation President, at the same time, the chairperson of the Sports Fest 2026.
So this time, ladies and gentlemen, we request once again all the players to kindly assemble yourselves. So sige po, dyan kayo sa unahan.
Lahat po ng players, please, in front.
in front. Because this time, we'll be having the oath of sportsmanship. And to lead the oath of sportsmanship, ladies and gentlemen, let's call on Honorable Kim S. Serafico, SK number.
First, may we request all of the athletes who will be representing their barangays to please gather in front of our collapsible stage for taking oath of sportsmanship. Lahat daw po ng players.
Doon ka, Ben. Dili ka mag-
Nilapit ko ba yun?
Pero nasa.
My fellow athletes, please raise your right hand properly and repeat after me. I, please state your name, Kim Sarah Serafico, do hereby solemnly swear that I will abide all the rules of the game, that I will respect all calls and decisions of the referees, umpires and officials, and that I will act at all times as a true sportsman whose desire to win is only second for the love of the game itself. I further declare that each game is a friendly contest done in the spirit of camaraderie and true friendship. I hereby pledge my wholehearted cooperation and full commitment. So help me God.
Thank you so much. And of course, this early, good luck po sa lahat ng ating players sa inyong respective sports. So this is just to announce, mamaya po for our volleyball tournament, we'll be having your drawing of lots. So magantay po tayo right after the program.
And of course, later then, i-announce ang venue and schedule date for every match. So kaya huwag po muna kayong aalis.
This time, ladies and gentlemen, also one of the highlights of our event this afternoon, which is of course the presentation of the official candidates for the Miss Battle 2026. So they'll be having their self-introduction. But this time, ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you our 18 lovely candidates vying for the title Miss Battle 2026.
I am Gracial Yvonne Ortega Murillo, 18, Santiago, Batuenya, Magayon.
Huele como me gusta, me besa como me gusta, me agarra como me gusta, así, así que a mí me gusta, como huele la fruta, si sale de noche me asusta.
Good evening, everyone. I am Sherry May Pindugaro Maraog, proud and honored to represent Barangay Santiago.
Huele como me gusta, me besa como me gusta, me agarra como me gusta, así, así que a mí me gusta, como huele la fruta, si sale de noche me asusta, si papá conoce la fruta.
Good evening, everyone. I am Dorena Jocelyn Osea Solares, 19, Divina Pastora, Batuenya, Magayon.
Huele como me gusta, me besa como me gusta, me agarra como me gusta, así, así que a mí me gusta, como huele la fruta, si sale de noche me asusta, si papá conoce la fruta, así, así que me gusta, así, así.
A pleasant evening to each one of you. This is Cyrus Aquino Hugo, 20, from Municipality of Batu, Barangay Santa Cruz, Batuenyang, Magayon.
Sofia, Angel, Jessica, Siguano.
Good evening, everyone. This is Hannah Micaela Rigaspi Buena, 23, representing Barangay San Rafael, Batuenyang, Magayon.
Huele como me gusta, me besa como me gusta, me agarra como me gusta, así, así que a mí me gusta, como huele la fruta, si sale de noche me asusta, si papá conoce la fruta, así, así que me gusta, sigue aquí, pa' que estoy pa' ti, dale atrás.
Marahay na gabi kaninyo namin. I am Ashley Suarez Tino, 18, representing Barangay Tres Reyes, Batuenyang, Magayon.
Huele como me gusta, me besa como me gusta, me agarra como me gusta, así, así que a mí me gusta, como huele la fruta, si sale de noche me asusta, si papá conoce la fruta, así, así que me gusta, sigue aquí, pa' que estoy pa' ti, dale atrás.
A pleasant evening, beautiful people of Batu. This is Gwyneth Lynn Folioso Abinal, 18, representing my beautiful barangay, Barangay Masuli, Batuenyang, Magayon.
¿Y el anillo pa' cuándo? ¿Anillo pa' cuándo? ¿Anillo pa' cuándo?
A pleasant evening to everyone. I am April Joy Declaro Camaral, 18, proud to represent Barangay Masuli, Batuenya, Magayon. Good evening, people of Batu. This is Renee Pili Ramos, 19, from the lakeside, Barangay Guyudan, Batuanyang, Magayon.
¿Anillo pa' cuándo? ¿Anillo pa' cuándo? ¿Anillo pa' cuándo? Huele como me gusta, me besa como me gusta, me agarra como me gusta, así, así que a mí me gusta, como huele la fruta, si sale de noche me asusta, si mamá conoce la fruta, así, así que me gusta, sigue aquí, pa' que estoy pa' ti, la letra, y así somos las.
Good evening, everyone. This is Princess Winslet Diophanis, 20, proud and loud to represent Barangay Masuli. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Consigate Intia Rillera, representing Barangay Santa Cruz, Batuan. Janelise Ayan Baramera Sarahan, 19, Divina Pastora, Batuan. Good evening, everyone. Size Leah Ayupili, proudly representing Barangay Santa Cruz, Batuenya, Magayon.
¿Anillo pa' cuándo? ¿Anillo pa' cuándo? ¿Anillo pa' cuándo? Huele como me gusta, me besa como me gusta, me agarra como me gusta, así, así que a mí me gusta, como huele la fruta, si sale de noche me asusta, si mamá conoce la fruta, así, así que me gusta, sigue aquí.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Shaina May Longares Villagas, 20 years of age, proudly representing Barangay Bacolod, Batuenya,
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Carla May Campesano Toldanas, 16, from Mountain Area, Barangay Kutman.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen. So once again, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our lovely candidates for this year's search for Miss Bato 2026. Palakpakan naman po natin our ladies representing, of course, their respective barangay.
Once again, good evening everyone. On behalf of all the official candidates of this year's search for Miss Bato 2026, I would like to warmly invite everyone to witness our coronation night that will happen next week, May 28, which will fall on Thursday. And join us as we celebrate beauty, confidence, culture, and empowered women who proudly represent the different barangays of our beloved municipality. We hope to see you all there as we make memories and crown the next Miss Bato 2026. Maraming salamat po. Come join us as we anticipate the next queen who's gonna claim the next Miss Bato crown. Again, join us here at the covered courts at 7 p.m. on Thursday, May 28, 2026.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our official candidates for this year's search for Miss Bato 2026. Ayan, thank you so much, ladies, and good luck. So our pageant night will be on May 20, 2026. So lahat po ay invited to watch our search for Miss Bato 2026 on May 20, 2026. This is free admission, wala pong bayad. Lahat po ay invited na manood ng ating search. So sila po ang magdadalisan ng talino at kagandahan to determine kung sino sa kanila ang ating sunod na Miss Bato 2026.
Yes, once again, we are inviting you all to watch and witness the Grand Coronation Night on May 28, 2026.
And of course, syempre pasalamatan po natin the chairperson of the Search for Miss Bato 2026, our tourism officer designate, palakpakan po natin, Ma'am Janiata Seya, palakpakan naman po natin our committee chair for the Search for Miss Bato 2026.
Of course, before we formally close the program, we are also inviting you all. So magkakaroon po tayo ng fun run for a cause on May 30, 2026. And of course, we're also having the Grand Auditorium on May 31, 2026. So yan po ang kapiestahan natin.
And syempre, you can enjoy ang ating mga kubo na prepare ng ating mga barangay officials. So open na po ang lahat ng ating kubo. Of course, featuring our local produce, ang ating mga local products. Kapag pong i-enjoy ng lahat ng ating mga manonood. Lahat po ng ating bisita ay welcome. And once again, announcement lang for the volleyball tournament. please stay for the bracketing and for the drawing of lots. So mamaya po yan right after our event. But this time, to formally close our program, let us all welcome once again our SK Federation President, at the same time Committee Chairperson of the Sports Fest 2026, Honorable Marian Joyce Tangkalan Goida.
Thank you so much, Kuya Paul. To the province of Camarines Sur, headed by Governor Alrey Villaferte, and also our Congressman Mix Villaferte. To our very dedicated and supportive Municipal Mayor, Honorable Enrique Tangkalan. To the SB members who are present today, headed by Honorable Diosdado Sorilla. To the LGU employees, and syempre po to our Miss Bato official candidates, to the players, parents, and other guests, syempre po to the punong barangays and SK officials, a pleasant evening na po kanatong namin. So, in behalf po kana Pambayang Federasyon ng mga Sangguniang Kabataan, in collaboration with the LGU po, nag-cater po kita sa 7 sports. Amo po na sepak takraw, volleyball, chess, pickleball, table tennis, boxing. So, ngayon pong gabi, bago po kita mag-closing, i-announce ko po na start and venue po bawat sports. So, players, mag-irumog po. Pickleball, tapos na po iya. Last May 16, nag-start, venue po MRV Gymnasium. Badminton, nag-start po iya tomorrow, May 21, 1 p.m. at LRV Gymnasium. Table tennis po, magsa-start po tomorrow at 1 p.m. sa MRV Gymnasium. Volleyball po, magsa-start May 23, 8 a.m. sa Divina Pastora Covered Court. Ang sepak takraw po, magsa-start May 24, 8 a.m. sa LRV Gymnasium. Chess, May 26, 8 a.m. sa MRV Gymnasium. And lastly, boxing sa May 29, 8 a.m. onwards sa Divina Pastora Covered. So, ayan po, in behalf of the committee, sa mga committees po, thank you so much. Pickleball, we have Ate Angeline Rose Pili, and badminton po, Angeline Rose Pili. Table tennis, Team Serafico. Volleyball, we have Kuya Paul Abonita. Sepak takraw, we have Kuya Romnick Mota. Sa chess po, we have Ate Lidalyn Flores. Boxing po, we have Kuya Christian Mata. So, thank you so much po. In behalf po talagang local government unit po, thank you so much po sa pag-attend, especially sa players. So, ayun po, siguro po, sana nagpuon po kitang maray, uda po karibukan, sana po maging disiplinado po kita sa mga umaaging ngayamon ka 7 sports. So, Diyos maray na gabi po kaninyo ngamin. Again, this is Marian Joyce Tangkalan Goida saying, kauvenan muna, kauvenan pirming una. Thank you so much po.
Thank you so much once again, our SK Federation President, Honorable Marian Joyce Tangkalan Goida. At the same time, the Committee Chairperson for the Sports Fest 2026. And by the way, once again, thank you so much po sa lahat ng dumalaw sa ating opening ceremony. You can now enjoy ang ating mga kubo featuring the local produce products ng Municipality of Batu.
And of course, we also have the peria and rides sa ating other view. And once again, thank you so much to the local government unit of Bato for initiating this kind of event. Maraming salamat po.